Okay, so we are looking at unlike denominator addition and subtraction. So we're going to go in and we're in the first part of it, the uncommon denominators visual. And we are looking at the JiJi cycle select basket puzzle and level 5 of that. So the goal here is to place the platform with the balloons in the spot that JiJi is going to roll to. So if we start from the bottom and we see 1 out of 1, so that means our first roll is going to get us to the 1, and then 1/2 will get us about halfway between 1 and 2. And then our next one is 5/6. So we know that 3/6 is 1/2. So that would get us to 2, and that leaves 2 more 6, which would be somewhere around here. So he's going to roll each of those fractions. And again, we have 1/2, so that's going to put us right in the middle. And then 1/6 is going to be a little bit further than that. So this allows for some margin of error because the platform is large. So even if you're not exact, JiJi will still be fine. So now we're being introduced to negatives. So again, let's start at the bottom with 1. And then we add on 2/3. So we can kind of visualize that's about 1/3. And this would be about 2/3. And then we're going to subtract 1/4. So that would put us somewhere around here. Next, we have 2/3. So we can kind of visualize 1/3, 2/3. And then we're going to subtract 3/5. So that's going to put us somewhere around here. So again, we have 1. And then we're going to add on 2/3, 1, 2, and then 4/5 I know is almost 1. So I'm going to say that it'll put us somewhere around here. Remember, it's okay if we're not perfectly exact because we have that whole space that JiJi can land on. So again, we have 1 whole plus 3/4, that would put us somewhere around here, plus 1/5 would get us right about to 2. And we have 3/4 plus 5/6. So those are both about 1. So I'm going to say it'll put us somewhere around right here. Not quite to 2, but almost to 2, since we can round both of those fractions up. And then we have 3/4 minus 2/5. So we can kind of visualize it's going to go back just a little bit, maybe almost halfway. So about right here. And that is JiJi Cycle Select Basket Level 5.